Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have the Pikmi Pops surprise that we got at the Dollar Tree. So this whole surprise bag was $1 in the US or $1.25 in Canada. Look at all of the cool stuff that comes in it. I have seen these at Walmart for $5, so when I saw them for $1.25, I couldn't resist. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna just nick this to get it open. And then we can actually take a look at all of the cool stuff that's inside, because I see pens and all kinds of stickers. So let's just go ahead and get this open. We can take everything out. Let's see if this was worth the $1.25. I don't know. I think it is, but let's take a look. Oh, the pens were stuck. Goodness gracious. So the first thing we have, oh, everything is stuck with those glue dots. Okay, so we have two Pikmi Pops and they look like pens. So let's get them out of the plastic. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, the lids are stuck. Oh my goodness. Let's get that. Oh, I broke the lid. There it goes. Okay, so they are little pens and they have all the little Pikmi Pops on them. Okay, we're going to test those and see if they work in just a second. And there's two. Then we have these that look like stickers. Let's get this page open. A lot of plastic in this one. All right, so we have, oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pages of different Pikmi Pop stickers. There's some of the big ones. I actually have this one. He was the character that came with our Pikmi Pop board game. And there's the lollipops that they pop out of and all the different Pikmi Pops. And this one has a lot of words and sayings. Surprise, so cute, hang with me. And then what is this? Oh, these are big clear stickers that you can stick onto things. So you can put these on your notebooks. You can put them on your water bottles if you were just going to hand wash them. Look at that. And you got 2 big sheets of them. Wow, for $1.25, it's worth it just for the stickers. And what is this? Oh, a Pikmi Pop poster. So you can hang that on your walls. Wow, you know what? For $1.25, I am impressed. Now let's see if these pens actually write. Look at that blue. That is a really pretty blue. Let's try the other pen and see. Oh, this one opened much easier. It's like a purpley blue. Do you see that? Look at that color. I love it. You could even put your Pikmi Pop stickers on your poster to decorate for your room. So you remember those notebooks we got in the Dollar Tree haul, that last one? You could put these stickers on the front of it. And you could put these on anything else you'd like that your parents say are okay. So look at all of this great stuff. And it was only $1.25 or $1 in the US. I love it. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.